A fusion dish that could make your eye twitch. Welcome to Authentic-ish. Gamjatang meets rosé sauce.
What?
Listen, I'm serious about this combination, and I really don't see what could go wrong. Let's begin. In my gorgeous stove Cocotte, I'm making the Gamjatang base from scratch. This experiment is a labor of love, all the way down to boiling the scum off the bones, rinsing and adding back to a fresh pot of water along with doenjang paste, ginger and onion. And we can't forget the flavor bomb sauce. Gochujang, a head of garlic, perilla seed, fish sauce, and a liberal amount of gochugaru. Because the goal isn't to make soup, we won't add water throughout the cook time, leaving us with a super condensed broth. Once you start boiling your pasta, it's too late for any lingering skepticism. Rosé sauce action. Cook out the tomato paste, add milk along with heavy cream, and that spicy broth. The only con of this is the absence of the act of picking the meat off the bones while eating, because I do enjoy that. Womp womp. But chunks of tender pork in a decadent tangy sauce?
Nice.
Topped with parm and perilla seeds. For continuity, one bite and my mind was blown. It tastes authentic. Ish.